Hi everybody, I came on this morning to show you something and the video and Facebook weren't working very well. So I'm going to try this again. What I want to introduce to you is what's called the triangle of safety. And someone taught this to me years and years and years ago, and I do not remember who it was, and I cannot remember where this idea originated. So I can't give credit to the person who came up with this, but if anybody else knows, certainly post it in the comments below. But this is called the triangle of safety. I've got two versions I'm going to show you, and I know it's backwards from where you're looking. But you basically take their safety promise or the safety contract when you have a child who has indicated having thoughts about self-harming or thoughts of suicide. And of course you do your safety promise, your safety contract as you normally do. And in addition to that, what I do is I create a triangle of safety. And so what I do is I draw an upside down triangle like this on the back of their contract for them to take home. And there are 6 sections, as you can see. So it goes from top to bottom in terms of an order of things that they do to help themselves if they're having these thoughts of wanting to hurt themselves. So the first level is distractions. The second level is self-soothing. The third level is talking to a trusted adult. The third level is calling your therapist, and then calling a crisis line, and then finally 911. So I have an example. It's a fictional one that I pretended like I had just done with a client. And so what I do is I go through and I say, okay, so the first thing you're going to do with your triangle of safety is you're going to come up with 3 things that you know you've done in the past that could distract your mind from those thoughts to thinking about something else, to see if that first helps. And so I ask them for things that they can use to distract themselves. So in this case, it was watch a funny video, ride my bike, jump on the trampoline. And then I say, okay, let's say you've done all of these things and you're still having thoughts of wanting to hurt yourself. The next level is self-soothing. So in the self-soothing section, it's deep breathing, guided meditation, taking a warm shower. If that doesn't work, the next level is calling a trusted adult. So I have them list 3 adults and the phone numbers of those adults that they can call if they need to talk to somebody, and the first 2 levels of self-help haven't helped. So they have 3 people listed here with a phone number for each one. If after trying all 3 of those people or talking to those people and not feeling better, the next level is to call your therapist. And what I explain to them is a lot of times when you call me, I may not be able to answer the phone. But you'll hear my voicemail, and sometimes just hearing my voice will be reassuring and remind you of the things we've done in our play therapy sessions together to make sure that you're safe and you're connected. And then I say, but you can leave a voicemail message, and if I get your message, and as soon as I do, I'll try to call you back. But if after trying that, you still feel like you want to hurt yourself, the next level is to call a crisis line. So what I recommend is that you find a very reputable and reliable 24-hour crisis line that specializes in, or is at least equipped to taking calls from children and adolescents, and put the phone number for the crisis line there. Sometimes they have texting too. I know a lot of kids use texting to communicate, so there might be that option as well. And then finally, if you still, after trying that, still are having ideas and feelings like you're going to hurt yourself, dial 911 and tell the operator, I'm a child or I'm an adolescent and I have been trying to help myself stop these thoughts, but I'm having thoughts that I want to hurt myself. And tell the operator the address where you are, and they will make sure that they get help to make sure you stay safe. So that's the triangle of safety, and I hope that's helpful, and I hope you guys all have a great day.